Very good morning, friends and traders. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel, Smart Indexer. Firstly, let us mark the levels for today based on India VIX. India VIX is the reading is 16.56. The calculations and the boundaries for today is daily high 24,755 and daily low 24,329 and weekly low to be 23,978 and weekly high to be 25,106. So let us analyze the market. What has happened in the market is within the range, this range from 24,500 to 25,079.90. It is within the range, and how many times it has popped up? First, it was a pop-up, and second time it has popped up and it has come down. It looks like a classical Wyckoff re-accumulation or distribution pattern. It doesn't look like a distribution pattern because there is no wick above this level. There is no wick above this level. It looks like a re-accumulation pattern. What now we have to wait and see whether if the market comes down and takes support and reverses, then that will be a spring type of in a Wyckoff accumulation pattern. Spring will be formed in the market. For that, I had applied volume profile over here. The point of control is around 24,397. And the value area high and value area low, they are 24,359 to 24,416. And based on the volume profile, I marked the low node areas. This red color area will act as resistance for today. That is around 24,650 to 24,672. It may act as a resistance. Any up move to this level may call for selling in the market. And then market first low node area is around 24,434 and another low node area is around 24,170. And the volume profile here in this area, the point of control is around 24,393 and 24,368 to 24,403 is the boundary for the point of control. So these are the levels. Analysis, if you see the analysis, see when this was an imbalance, compression. Imbalance, compression. Now also the market is coming downwards with the compression with any dip here and a reversal. After dipping here and a reversal, there will be a exponential move in the market. The market may start reversing to the level of 25,105 minimum. But it takes time. Today it may dip down. If it dips down immediately, it doesn't look like that. It may be a slow and steady low process. It may go down. It may face resistance. It may be another day of, let us measure how much points from here. The points is almost 257 to 298 points. So maybe it may be another day of down day, and maybe on Thursday you can see a reversal in the market. Till that time, market may undergo through correction. That is what I am expecting. here, this is the third time it has come to that level. If it breaches this level, it can go and test this level as 24,329. Today's price action you need to watch. And you need to be careful in option market, because option market sometimes IV will be up and IV will be crushed. Because of IV crush, the premiums are getting decayed. Even the put option and call option premiums are decayed. So you need to be careful actually while trading options. Option is an instrument. If you are an option buyer, you need to take care of the momentum as well as the IV. You should give. In my previous video, I've made that what can happen for the IV. Due to IV, how the premium will get crushed. You can see the video and you can get hold of that. Coming to the Bank Nifty is also in the same way. It is facing resistance around this area, 56,000, and it has started coming down. We need to see whether it is going to breach this 55,118 and it will come down. The first support is around 55,118 and it has faced resistance around 56,081 and it is halfway through. And second resistance is 56,878 and second support is 54,321. The movement in the Bank Nifty is very slow and very compressed. It may be within the ranges. It may be from 55,599 to 55,118, hardly 400 points. 400 points, you can see the movement. And if it starts moving below that, you can see the downward movement in the Bank Nifty. But something is cooking over here. Bank Nifty might be waiting for the RBI monetary policy. That's why price action is very, very much compressed. It is anticipating for something. Maybe it is expecting any rate cut, or if there is any disappointment, it may go down also. So till that time, better not to trade in Bank Nifty. When there are uncertainties and events coming up, you need to be careful. So in the Nifty, these are the things. Once again, I'm showing the screen. You mark down all the levels. These are the low volume nodes on the volume profile, and this is also a low volume node which may act as resistance, and the VIX level is above that daily high 24,755. So from yesterday, it has taken the liquidity. I had already mentioned in my video, it may take liquidity over here. Let me change it to 15 minutes. You can see how the liquidity has been grabbed. Here, the liquidity has been grabbed over here. And it took the liquidity and started moving down. Now, it has to grab the liquidity beneath these levels, and there is point of control over here and low volume node is there. So everything is placed aligning with the point of control and also low volume node and the VIX levels. Everything is aligned there. 24,329 and point of control, everything is aligned there. We can anticipate for down move in the market today once it gets rejected from this level, 24,649. Just watch for that, and IV crush may be there. You need to be careful in while buying options market. It may be a compressed premium decay market, writers market. You need to be careful. Even though there will be a trend in the market, option premium may not increase either in put option or the call option. But trade according to the flow. Don't anticipate anything. Trade as how it unfolds. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.